Okay, back to the cable this time. This time we're doing a single arm cable curl. As you can see, David's at a slight angle onto the cable and he's holding his hand out to the side slightly. He's pulling the cable up. Great thing about a cable is it keeps the tension in the arm all the time. It's really difficult to let your arm lock out and relax here. So that tension is always in, bringing that burn back into the biceps. Another good thing about single arm stuff is that if you use a double arm, then you could be compensating sometimes. We all have a stronger side and you could be compensating your stronger side for your weaker side. So this one lets you work each arm equally and get that maximum burn into it. As you can see, David's pulling the cable up. Again, it's coming right up to his chin, he's giving it a good squeeze there, and you can really see the bicep working as it goes into the forearm there when he takes it down. So another great exercise to put into your routine.